is color yellow today. Hi, Mami Blessy. Hi, Ate Ann. Bye-bye, Hopi. I will run errands today, okay? Because I'm not just your mommy, I'm also your daddy. And magpapaganda ako. Because your mommy is maarte. We'll go first, okay? You have Mommy Blessy, Ate Ann, and Ate Grace here naman. And you also have your maingay wawa, okay? Bye-bye. I love you, I love you. I'm going to the bank. Going to go to the bank because, you know naman, daming bayarin. So, let's go to BPI. This isn't sponsored, by the way. I have two banks that I really, really trust. And it's BPI and Security Bank. So, baka naman, either of those two, kunin niya ako. Char! I'm done. And I'm going to UP Town. It's I look old. Ito, hindi din.
Parang mas okay man sa loob.
Parang nakakalaki siya ng face ko. Oh my God. So labo. Ba?
Wala pa, ma'am.
Wala pa po ba?
What's your job description po? Listening at the practice.
Palamunin na lang.
Ay,
Joke.
parang hindi naman. Okay.
Well, I don't remember kasi I always lose my glasses.
Sir, na po tayo. Nagka-close up po. Put your arms sa table natin. Okay, now let's start, ma'am, ha?
Eh, she's near lang naman.
Baka she's at work. She has a
Ay,
job.
oo nga. Corporate girl.
Alright.
Hi, ADL. Kapatid ni RDL. We miss you, girl. At lahat ng roll. Charot. Isa po spicy salmon. Bakit naman ang angle mo?
Teka lang, nakamask ka na. Maski lang yan eh.
Ano pa yung best seller? Honey cream cheese.
Yun na lang, yun na lang.
Sige, yun na lang.
Pero wala siyang crab stick. So, sana wala siyang fish. May protein.
Yun na, yung gusto ko din. Pero ayoko ng fries. Pero magyayami.
Ay! Di ba kami flashcards? Wala bang ano? Gyoza or like...
Yeah. Gyoza. Which one? My baby mo. Love you po.
Ngayon makalimutan ko.
Takoyaki.
Kaya.
Ano?